Good morning! We have Zazu and Walle with us today. And Daddy. He's gonna help us with the IQ test. We have a plank, blanket, and a cup test that we're gonna do with these kids over here to see who is more intelligent, who has a higher IQ. We are doing these tests in collab with Rachel Fusaro. I'll put the description down below and in the info. She does great work with rescuing and adopting, so do check her channel out. So let's get started with the plank test first. We have these scrumptious treats that we're gonna use to do the IQ test. And Daddy's setting up the plank test over here. We just have 2 shoe boxes and a plank over there. We're gonna put a treat down there and hide it in a towel. And we're gonna test how Zazu and Walle are going to do. So let's do Walle first, because of course he's more energetic. He's already like, what is this? What is this? Let me smell it. Let me smell it. Okay, Walle, are you ready? Oh, he sure is ready. Okay, we put one treat over there and we're gonna hide it under this towel over here. Okay, open the door.
Right, come on.
Okay, sit. So Zazu is outside and we're gonna start the timer. Alright, Walle, where's the treat? Where's it? Where? Where's it? No, Zazu, get out. Sweet. Oh my god, he's drooling. He can smell it, but he doesn't know where it is. Oh, there he is. Get it. Walle, get it. Get it. Where is it? Alright, you got it! So that was a minute. Not too bad. It's Zazu's turn for the plank test. And let's get started. Sniffing everywhere. Good job. Yeah, Zazu. Good boy. Alright, so looks like Walle won this test. So Zazu gets a 0. Walle gets 1. So let's do the next test. That's the blanket test. Are you guys excited? Oh, you guys haven't seen our board over here. It says you, me, and the dogs. We still need to hang it up, but it's such a cute sign. Alright, Daddy, can you go get blankets? Okay, so the blanket test is putting this blanket on top of the dog and seeing how long it takes them to come out of it. Walle is not interested in any of these IQ tests. Oh, okay, he's sitting down. And Zazu is like, let's see this dude come out of this blanket test. Zazu, you'll be next, okay? Alright, Daddy, I'm gonna put the timer. 1, 2, 3. Walle! Where's Walle? Walle! Zazu's gone to help Walle. Zazu. Man, good job, Walle! That was like 15 seconds. Good job. Who is next for the blanket test? I have turned on the timer. Go! Zazu! Good job! That was like 10 seconds. You beat Walle. Good boy. So the second test, Zazu wins. Walle gets a 0 for that. Although he did do it pretty quickly. Alright, who's ready for the next test? They're like, what are they doing to us today? All these weird stuff. So we have these treats under one of these cups, and I'm gonna move it around to confuse these kids a little bit. Walle, he's not interested. Look. Confuse these a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna put the timer on. Start. This test. Okay, Zazu's turn, and I'm gonna put the treat under this cup over here. Gonna spin it around so that he gets confused. And I'm gonna put the timer on. Go, Zazu! Where's it, Zazu? Get it. Oh, he got it in like 8 seconds. Alright, so the winner of the cup test is again Zazu, and the main winner of all these tree tests is Zazu. So do go check out Rachel's channel, where Bentley and Finn will also be doing these tree tests. Leave us a comment on the comment section below. Go check out Rachel's channel and have a great day. Bye. Start? Okay. Zazu, the treat is going in this cup over here. Hold on! Hold on! Okay, let me turn the timer on. Okay?